Okay, this is Elise and Elise's dad. Okay, go to the top of this page and do the let's code. And you're allowed to talk.
Okay.
Scroll down until you find the thing that says let's code. Okay, and let's do a new project. Why don't you click down here and give it a name?
What should we name it though?
Something about mail and the boxing. Naming things is hard, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know. I'll just name it mail.
Okay, all right. So now up here, when we start up, there are a couple of things that we have to do, and I'll just tell you what they are. So we have to set up the radio. Click over here on radio. And we want to set radio group and put that in on start. Okay, and change that one to something. That just says which group. You give it a number that's to make it so all of your microbits are just talking to each other and not other microbits. Okay, and then radio again. And this, now we need to go to the more. In the more section, there's a transmit power. Put that one in there. This is to make sure that it's a very strong transmit power. Okay, now grab this forever and move it out of the way down here. Okay, so now we need to do stuff when what?
I don't know.
When the mailbox opens, what happens?
It needs to send a message to the other microbit.
Yeah. So let's, in forever, let's go to logic. And see that if true, grab one of those. And put that in forever. And then what is the thing that we want it to do?
I don't know.
Go to radio. And in radio, there's this way to send a message. It's radio send string. That's a good one. Now, what message do you want it to send when the mailbox gets opened? Okay, good. Now right now it's happening every time, so we need to fix that. So let's go to logic and get one of these comparers. It doesn't matter which one. And put it in where it says true. Put this in that spot. Okay, and then instead of a number, we want to go into input and we need to look for, there's a thing called light level.
Here?
We usually put it on the left, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and we're going to compare the light level to, let's just say 128. So change that to 128. And one more thing, it can't be less than 128. It needs to be, yeah. Okay, so now it's only going to send the message when the light level is light, which means the mailbox is open, right?
Yeah. Wait, let's do more. Wait, does it have to be exactly that?
It just has to be greater than 128. And then do you see this antenna here lighting up? That's to indicate to us that it's sending a message, a wireless message. Okay, so now let's have this respond to it. So it's working, right? All right, so go to input, and I think in here look at more. No, I guess it's in radio. We want to see when a message comes in. Right here, it says on radio received. Go down here. It needs to be in a new section. Oh, I think that's the wrong one. Let's try again. Go back there to radio, and on radio, this is string. Yeah, we want the string. Okay. And what do we do when the string comes in, when the message comes in?
We click A and then it restarts.
Okay, first let's put the message on there. It's right there.
Like this one?
You can draw whatever you want here. As long as it's a 5x5 grid. Okay, let's try it. So go over here and make it bright. Change that sensor to make it bright. All right, it's starting to work. What now? Which one are you looking for?
The one that says restart, if there's even that one.
There's not restart, but there is clear screen. Now close your mailbox before you clear the screen. Try again. What is this big thing here?
A solar panel.
Okay, let's figure out a way to put it on the mailbox. Do you want to try it? Just try hanging it on the mailbox somehow. Just whatever you think. Does that look okay?
Yeah.
What if we wrapped it around the pole of the mailbox? Would that work?
Like this?
Maybe the long way? Yeah, like that maybe? Or down lower? Okay, how does that look? Kind of sneaky?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so it's got some stickiness on the back now?
Yeah.
Show me. Okay. Okay. You had a really good question earlier, which was, what if the mail is delivered at night? What do you think is going to happen?
Then nothing will happen. No. No, I don't know.
Let's think about it though. What is the solar panel going to be doing at night?
Using the moon power?
That's right. But if there's not a full moon, then what?
I don't know.
I think it's just going to be off. But yeah, I think it's just going to be off at night. So it's not really going to matter if there's light shining in the box at night. We'll have to come up with a better one if we expect the mail to be delivered at night.
Wait, but can't you choose what time it's delivered?
I don't think so. I've never been able to choose.
Because I saw this comic, and it was like, this guy ordered a package at 11:59.
Mm-hmm.
No, the guy ordered for same day delivery and it was 11:59. and then the delivery truck smashed into his house. And he's like, "What are you thinking?"
Oh, yeah. So maybe sometimes you can control it. I don't know. All right. Well, that was good. That was fun. Now let's go make it work. Okay?
Okay.
Carl, I think I hear the mail carrier.
Let's see.
Yeah, there she is. Okay. Here comes our mail. Oh, it shows that there was a letter for us, right?
Yeah.
Push the button that says A. I close it. Bye.
So I didn't.
A letter!